Ignore this and your CI/CD pipeline fails every Friday afternoon, causing delays in deployment and frustration for your development team, which is why understanding how to build a complete CI/CD pipeline on AWS is crucial for any Linux admin. What it does. A CI/CD pipeline is a series of processes that automatically build, test, and deploy software applications, ensuring that changes are properly validated and delivered to production quickly and reliably. In this case, we will be using AWS CodePipeline, CodeBuild, and CodeDeploy to create a CI/CD pipeline for a Python application. Command/example. Breaking it down. The above commands create the necessary resources for our CI/CD pipeline. The AWS CodePipeline create pipeline command creates a new pipeline, specifying the role, artifact store, and location. The AWS CodeBuild create project command creates a new build project, specifying the source, environment, and build specification. The AWS deploy create deployment group command creates a new deployment group, specifying the application name, deployment group name, deployment configuration, and EC2 tag filters. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the IAM roles and permissions for the pipeline, build, and deployment. This can cause errors and delays in the pipeline. Another mistake is not specifying the correct build specification file, which can cause the build to fail. Additionally, not properly configuring the deployment group can cause issues with the deployment. Try this next. To test the pipeline, you can create a new commit in your Git repository and push it to AWS Code Commit. This will trigger the pipeline to run, building and deploying your application. You can also try modifying the build specification file to include additional steps or tests. What it does. The build specification file, build spec. YML, is a YAML file that defines the build process for your application. It specifies the commands to run, the artifacts to create, and the reports to generate. Command/example. Breaking it down. The build spec. YML file defines two phases, install and build. The install phase installs the dependencies specified in requirements. Text. The build phase runs the setup. Py file to build the application. The artifacts section specifies the files to include in the build output. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly specifying the dependencies in requirements. Text. This can cause errors during the install phase. Another mistake is not correctly specifying the build commands in the build phase. This can cause the build to fail or produce incorrect output. Try this next. To improve the build process, you can try adding additional phases or commands to the build spec. YML file. For example, you can add a test phase to run unit tests or integration tests. What it does. The deployment process uses AWS CodeDeploy to deploy the built application to a fleet of EC2 instances. The deployment is configured using a app spec. YML file, which specifies the deployment process. Command/example. Breaking it down. The app spec. YML file defines the deployment process. The Files section specifies the files to deploy and their destination. The hooks section specifies the scripts to run during the deployment process. In this example, the before_install sh script is run before the installation of the application. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly specifying the deployment process in the app spec. YML file. This can cause errors during deployment. Another mistake is not correctly specifying the scripts to run during the deployment process. This can cause issues with the deployment. Try this next. To improve the deployment process, you can try adding additional hooks or scripts to the app spec. YML file. For example, you can add a after install hook to run a script after the installation of the application. Pro tip. To ensure the reliability and efficiency of your CI/CD pipeline, it's essential to monitor the pipeline's performance and adjust the configuration as needed. You can use AWS CloudWatch to monitor the pipeline's metrics and logs, and make adjustments to the pipeline's configuration to optimize its performance. Additionally, you can use AWS CodePipeline's built-in features, such as automated testing and deployment, to improve the pipeline's reliability and efficiency.